So one thing which I found, all of you were able to solve how to add rational numbers where both the numbers were positive. But I saw that some of you have done those questions incorrectly, where the numbers are of different signs. So let's take one example like half minus 3 by 5. Okay. Now how we are going to solve this? First, I check what are the denominators. My denominators are 2 and 5, which are different. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the LCM of the denominators, 5 and 2. So I did 2 comma 5, 2 1 are 2, 5, 5, 1 comma 1. So my LCM is 5 into 2, which is 10. Okay. Now I write 10 as LCM, 1 by 2 into is equals to 10. I want 10 as my denominator. What I should be multiplying? 2 into 5 in the denominator. Because I am multiplying 5 in the denominator, I need to multiply 5 in the numerator as well, because we are finding the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 here. So this is 5 in the 5 by 10. So 1 by 2 is changed to 5 by 10. Now minus 3 by 5. It is something like this. So minus 3 by 5 is equals to, my denominator of answer should be 10. So here I have to multiply with 2. So my numerator also I am going to multiply by 2. 3 into 2 minus 6. So now it is 5 by 10 plus minus 6 by 10. Right? I am doing everything right, right? Okay. So now 10, 5 plus minus 6. Now both the signs are different. So what we have to do? We have to subtract the numbers. Now if I subtract the number, 6 minus 5 is 1. Because 6 is a greater number and it has minus sign, my answer will also have minus 1. So my final answer is minus 1 by 10. Okay. This is my final answer. Have you understood this? How do we add rational numbers where one is of different sign than the other? You have to just do all the steps as it is. Only at the last you have to do integer addition, which we have already learned. Okay. So you have to follow integer addition rules here, like we do in integer addition, right? We check what is the sign of the numbers. If they are same, we add. If they are different, we subtract. And we take the sign of the largest number. Okay. This is one doubt I saw. Another thing which I saw in all the assignments was, if I have written 1 plus minus half, here the denominator is 1 only. If there is no denominator given to a number, it's 1 only. So you have to assume that the denominator is 1. Here, if there is no denominator given to a number, it's 1 by default. We don't write 1 normally, but it's by default, it's 1. So whenever you solve such kind of questions, you have to assume that it's 1. Then you have to find the LCM of 2 and 1, which is 2. Then you have to multiply this by 2. That is becomes 2. Already 2, so 1 into 1, that is minus 1. 2 plus minus 1, different signs. What you are going to do? Subtract. And because 2 is the bigger number and it has positive sign, so my answer will also have positive sign. That is 1 by 2. In case if you have not understood, I am just going to 1 by 2. My LCM is 2, so I am going to, this will be 2 by 2 and minus 1 by 2.
Himanshi, we can't see the topmost line which you have written. Topmost line. Yeah. You can see it now. Yes.
Yeah. So I'm just solving it very properly in case you wouldn't have understood. So it will be 2 minus 1. So here by default, I'll say the denominator is 1. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So now I have to multiply denominator with 2 so that I get 2 in the denominator. And because I'm multiplying 2 in the denominator, I have to multiply 2 in the numerator as well. So 2 into 1 is 2. And here, it is already 2 is in the denominator, so I just have to multiply it with 1, so it becomes minus 1 by 2. Now because denominators are same, you have to simply add. 2 plus minus 1. Now here you have to apply your integer addition rules. That's it. Okay, that's what you have to do. Any doubts till now? Any doubts you have in this? So these are some of the questions which I gave you in the assignment, and I felt some of the students have not done it right, so I thought I'd just take up in the class. Now, okay. Any doubts? Please unmute yourself and ask, or raise your hand. Otherwise, I'll move to the second segment. Okay, I don't see any hands. It means it was okay. Okay, fine. Now let's move to rational number subtraction. Again, it's very easy. So subtraction. How do we do integer subtraction? Can who all are there? Vipasha, can you tell me what is the first step of integer subtraction? Integer subtraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how we done that addition, no, ma'am? Same we should do like that.
No,
Instead
I'm
of adding
integer subtraction, not rational number subtraction. How do you subtract two integers? We have already discussed in the previous classes. Nandini, you want to try? How do you subtract integers?
Yes, ma'am. First, we will see the first number, ma'am. First number sign will be the same, ma'am.
Okay.
And the operator sign, which is subtraction, we will change that to its additive inverse, which is plus. Then we will see the second number. If the sign is plus, then we will take the additive inverse of that, which is minus. If the sign is minus, then we will take the additive inverse of that, which is plus. Then we will solve as addition, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you so much, Nandini, for sharing. So as Nandini said, it is as easy as, so I'm just going to tell you how integer subtraction we are doing, and similarly you have to do rational number subtraction also when it comes to numerator. Okay. So first of all, if there are minus 2 minus 9, okay, suppose this is the number. Okay, let me just put myself. Yeah, minus 2 minus 9, and suppose if this is the number, we will keep the first number as it is. We change the operator minus into plus. We take the additive inverse of minus 9. What is the additive inverse of minus 9? Plus 9. And then we add how we add integers. So 9 and minus 2 are of different sign. So we add 9 minus 2 is plus 7. Why plus 7? Because 9 is a greater number and it has positive sign. So my answer will also have positive sign. Okay, that's how we do integer subtraction. So now how do I do rational number subtraction? So suppose I am taking 1 by 2 minus 3 by 5. Okay, if this is the question, then I have to keep the first as it is, that is 1 by 2. I have to change minus into plus. Guys, are you still able to hear me? Gaurav,
Manshi,
are
I
you?
think there's some network issue on your side.
Yeah.
Manshi, I think there is some network issue on your side.
Yeah, because my light just went off. So now you're able to see?
I'm not hearing you clearly. Manshi, are you speaking something? I can see you moving now.
Yeah, can you see me now? Okay.
Yes, but I think the voice is lagging a lot. Can all the students like turn off their videos now? Now that Bhavani, can you turn off your video? Anyone else? I think everyone's is off only.
Actually, even
Continue,
today,
Himanshu. I'll let you know.
yeah, and my house also like light is coming and going, so there is some internet issues.
Hmm.
Guys, you are able to see me now properly?
Able to see you, Himanshi? Yes, we are able to see you.
Okay, cool. So 1 by 2, here minus sign you will change into plus. You will take additive inverse of minus 3 by 5. What is the additive inverse of minus 3 by 5? Will be plus 3 by 5. So now you have to solve like how you add the rational numbers, which will be this. Again 5 to 10 as LCM, and this into 5, that is 5 plus 6 will be 11 by 10. This part you understood, where first rational number you have to take as it is. You have to change minus into plus and take the additive inverse of second number, which is minus 3 by 5 will become plus 3 by 5. And then you have to add like how you add normal rational numbers. This part everyone has understood? Please show me thumbs up if you have. I'm going to give you, yes Manoj, you have raised your hand. Okay, I'm going to give you one question. I want everyone to solve in your notebooks. Not in your, yeah, in your notebooks, and send me the answers privately. Okay. So I'm going to give you one question. And I want everyone to answer that and solve that privately. This is the question. Guys, you have 3 minutes to do this. By 10:34, I will start discussing this on the board. This question on the board. Abu, your answer is right. Gagan, your answer is right. All those who have done, I'm going to give you another question. You can try out that question as well. Deepa, please check your answer again. Some calculation mistake. Anshu, sign is wrong. Santosh is right. Answer.
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ
Bhavani, check the sign. Vipasha, what is the denominator?
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
Sumaya is right.
ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೇನೋ ಮೇ ಬಿ 10:50
Dhananjay is right. Darshini is right. Vipasha is right. So guys, you have 1 more minute. If you have done this, start doing the another question which I have given it to you. If you have already done the first question. This is the another question. Chandan, check the sign. Gagan, your answer of okay. You're giving me another question. Answer. Manoj, check your sign. Um, Gagan, your answer is right for second question also. Okay, guys, it's already 10:34, so let me start discussing this question. This question 1 by 7 minus 2 by 3, all those who have not got it right, please see here. So we will keep the first rational number as it is, that is 1 by 7. Minus operator will turn into plus. Additive inverse of 2 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. The signs change. So 2 by 3 will become minus 2 by 3. Now, what you have to do 1 by 7. Now the question becomes plus minus 2 by 3. Now, denominators, you see denominators are different. So what you do, you take the LCM of 7 and 3. What is the LCM of 7 comma 3? 7 1 is 7 3. 3 1 comma 1. So my LCM is 21. And also, how can you check what is the LCM? You can see it directly because both are prime numbers 7 and 3. So if any one of your denominator is prime number, you directly multiply the denominators also. That also is another way of finding the LCM quickly. So 7 into 3 is 7 3s are 21. So you will have 21 here. Now 21 as your LCM. So my LCM is 21. Now 1 by 7 into this, it should be 21. My denominator I want 21. So I will multiply the denominator with 3. Numerator also 3. 3 by 21. And next step will be minus 2 by 3 into 7 7, that will be 21. 7 2s are 14 minus 14. Please take care, minus into plus is minus. So your second step, it will be minus 14 divided by 21. So now it will be 3 by 21 minus 14 by 21. Right? So now 21 as it is, minus 14 plus 3. Signs are different, so I am going to subtract these two numbers. 14 minus 3 is 11, and because 14 is a bigger number and it has minus sign, my answer will also have minus sign. So my answer will be minus 11 divided by 21. That is your answer. Any doubt in any of the steps? There is another way where you can do it directly, which you have already learned, which is if you don't want to do all this additive inverse and all, you can directly do minus into 2 by 3. What is the sign of 2 by 3? Plus, right? So you can directly multiply the signs. Minus into plus is minus, and you can directly come to this step. You don't have to do all this. So if you find this thing too hard to follow, you can change the minus operator to positive and then take the additive inverse of this. Whichever way you find it easier, please do it that way. Yes, Usman, I'm actually recording this video, so I'll be sharing this recording with you. Any doubts in this question? Anyone who didn't understand this? Okay, I'm not solving second question. I want all of you to do it on your own and ask me separately if you have doubts. Now we are going to see how to do rational number multiplication. So it's very easy. Darshini, if you can hear me, can you tell me the steps of what are the ways where how we do integer multiplication? Okay, Amruta has raised her hand.
Ma'am,
Amruta, 1 minute, Darshini. Amruta, do you have any doubts in the previous question?
No, ma'am. I actually got dropped out.
Oh, okay. Okay. We will after this class stay back. If you missed any parts, I'll cover that up with you. Yes, Darshini, you can go ahead. You have to. Who wants to share with us what are the rules of integer multiplication? Anyone who wants to share? Sorry.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
So how? Okay.
I can't hear you.
It's okay, Darshini. You can keep yourself on mute. Maybe it's because of internet connection. Deepa, you want to?
Now I can hear you.
Deepa, you want to share? You have raised your hand.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, multiplication rule.
Yes.
If there is one negative and one positive in multiplication, ma'am, then we will simply multiply by the absolute value
Okay.
and the sign will be positive because,
Is it? Okay. Manoj, you want to try?
see the,
Raise your hand.
no, negative.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, guys, let me just revise that quickly. Integer multiplication with you guys. So what is integer multiplication? Suppose -2 into -3 I'm doing. So you have to